Hello, hi, good evening everyone. Welcome to my third tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you persons on the concept of I'll be teaching you persons on the concept concept of boats and streams. Okay, boats and streams. Streams. Okay, boats and streams. This is one of the major important concept which is linked with speed, distance, and time again. Okay, you will be having only 3 to 4 basic concepts in this boats and streams. Once you are through and thorough with this, you can easily attempt each and every question. So first, before going into this, you need to learn some basic definitions. What is a still water? What is still water? Okay, what is still water? when the speed when the speed of water in a river is zero, in a river or anything you consider is zero, then it is still water. Okay, it is called as a still water. Then what is known as a stream water? Stream water. Okay, when the speed of water in the river is not zero, that means it has some speed, then that water is known as a stream water. Okay, now in stream water you will be finding two sorts of things, that is upstream, and next comes downstream. Okay, upstream and next comes downstream. Now suppose if the speed of boat in still water is x kilometers, suppose if the speed of boat is x kilometers per hour and the speed of stream is y kilometers per hour, then downstream is equal to x plus y. Okay, x plus y. Then upstream is equal to x minus y. This sounds something similar like the concepts of relative speed which we have discussed in the previous video. Okay, now speed of boat in stream water I am saying it particularly, is equal to 1 by 2 into speed of upstream plus speed of downstream. Okay, now speed of stream, that is equal to 1 divided by 2, 1 by 2 into speed of upstream minus speed of downstream. Okay, let me make you clear, guys. What do you mean by speed of upstream is equal to distance traveled in upstream divided by time taken. Okay, you need to substitute this sort of thing in each and every time. Whenever I write the speed of upstream, you need to consider it as that is equal to, suppose you think that, once again I am messed up over here, distance traveled in upstream by time taken. Now speed of stream, okay, speed of upstream is equal to distance traveled in upstream divided by the time taken. Okay, this is what happens. Now let's go to some of the basic and important questions. I am going to the fast track methods, or the methods which it get frequently encountered, in the series, etc. Okay, that happens over here. First one is like, when we go to the first one, now in this method is the speed of stream is a kilometers per hour. Speed of stream is a kilometer per hour, and if a boat traveling if a boat traveling takes n times n time long to row up, then to row down. Now the speed of boat is equal to a into n plus 1 divided by n minus 1. Okay, this is the case. Okay, now I will be explaining this with a simple question example. It is given that the speed of stream is 12 kilometers per hour, and it takes 2 times of the time to row upstream, then the downstream. Okay, then the downstream. Now what is the speed of the boat? If this is the question, when you encounter the questions like this, in many of the competitive exams you will be encountering the questions like this. When you encounter the question like this, you need to use this simple formula, which is very much easy to remember, and it is also a great time saver, guys. You please by heart that formula, and you the answer for this question. I am not going to simplify anything in my tutorials because I don't even like spoon feeding. Okay, I am giving you half minute. You please do it. Okay, I hope it is done. Now coming to the second concept, a person at a speed of x kilometers per hour, and the speed of stream is y kilometers per hour, okay. Now he reaches to a point in the river time after time t assume capital T. Now the distance traveled now the distance traveled by the boat, or else you can say that the distance between both the places is equal to the time t into x square x into x minus y square y into y divided by 2x. Okay, I can write this very much simply in a math type. In this sort of thing I can write it very much easily, but I am not going to disturb you guys. Okay, if you any one of you is interested to take notes, you can also take notes. There is no wrong in doing that. So as usually I'll be explaining it with a simple question. Now a person rose at a speed of 10 kilometers per hour. Okay, 10 kilometers per hour, and the speed of stream is and the speed of stream is 5 kilometers per hour 5 kilometers per hour, and after 30 minutes after 30 minutes he reaches a point. Now what is the distance between both the points? What is the distance between both the points? Okay, now you people please memorize that formula. Write the question. I give you 30 seconds to complete it. 30 seconds is also more than enough. I am giving you very much time in doing this. Okay, I'm a good tutor, I hope so. So now let us come to the third topic. For example, if the speed if the one second man, one second, sorry for the disturbance. Okay, if the speed of the speed in still water, if the speed in still water is a kilometers per hour is a kilometers per hour, and the river is flowing with the speed of with the speed of b kilometer per hour. Now the average speed of the boat in traveling from a certain point and reaching the same point is calculated as speed of boat in still water. This is the speed of boat. This is the speed of boat in still water. It can be calculated as a plus b into a minus b divided by a. This is the formula. This is one of the shortcut methods or the formula used in this case. When the question arises in this case, in this sort of things, you can use this formula. I will give you an example problem over here. Example. Now the speed of boat BOAT, the speed of boat is 10 kilometers per hour, and the river is flowing with the speed of with the speed of 8 kilometers per hour. Okay, 8 kilometers per hour. Then calculate the average speed in traveling from a certain point and then reaching the same point and then reaching the same point. Okay, this is the question. Yeah, the same I continue. I give you 30 seconds to understand the formula, understand all the quantities I have wrote, who is involved in it, what all are involved in it. I need you people to understand whatever I wrote in this, and I also need you people to solve this question. Okay, done with this. Now let's go to the fourth one. Let's go to the fourth concept. In this concept, when the boat speed is a kilometers per hour and the speed of the stream is b kilometers per hour, per hour then then time taken then the time taken to travel certain distance upstream is a time t is a time t is a time t more when compared to downstream then the distance. Okay, then distance covered, that implies d is equal to, okay, once again, when the boat speed is 8 kilometers per hour and the speed of stream is how much, b kilometer per hour, then the time taken to travel certain distance upstream is t more when compared to the downstream. So what happens over here, he has given the speed of the boat and now he also given the speed of the stream. Then the time taken, okay, the time taken to travel certain distance is a time t more when compared to the downstream. So the distance traveled by the boat is equal to a square a into a minus b into b minus b into b into the time taken by the speed of the stream. Okay, by the speed of the stream. Now I'll make it very much clear by using example. Why? Because practicality will teach you much more things than theory. Okay, now if the speed of boat is 10 kilometers per hour, 10 kilometers per the speed of boat is 10 kilometers per hour and the once again I'll plug on my charger and I'll, yeah guys, I'm extremely sorry for the inconvenience. I just plugged in the charger and forgot to switch on it. I'm extremely sorry. And where are we? And the speed in the speed of the stream is 8 kilometers per hour. The speed of the stream is 8 kilometers per hour. Then the time taken to travel a distance upstream, travel a distance upstream is 25 minutes more than when compared to downstream. Then the distance covered is equal to how much? Okay, the same 30 seconds concept I am giving you. There is a great reason behind why I don't solve any questions over here. I'll be saying you when I get the correct time. Okay, yeah, your 30 minutes have been started. 30 seconds, sorry. Make it fast, try to understand the concepts and then try to do it. Okay, let's come to the second concept. If a man travels in kilometers per hour in t1 time time along the direction of stream and he takes time t2 in opposite direction to reach the same point to reach the same point. Okay, then speed of man speed of man or boat is equal to L divided by 2 into 1 divided by T1 plus 1 divided by T2. Okay, now the speed of stream is equal to, now here speed of stream is equal to L divided by 2 into 1 divided by T1 minus 1 divided by T2. Okay, this is the case. This is a very famous case. Try to understand. If a man travels 10 kilometers per hour in t1 time along the direction of stream and he takes time to in the opposite direction to reach the same point. Same point means what is happening here? Same point. Then he is traveling the same distance. Okay, the distance traveled L1 kilometer per hour he is traveling in time t1 while in the downstream and is taking time t2 to travel the same length in the upstream. So when this is the case, you can find out the speed of the boat or even the speed of the stream. Okay, I am giving you some example questions. Yeah, now same. If a man travels 100 meters in 20 seconds and 20 seconds in the direction of stream in the direction of stream and he takes 25 seconds in opposite direction. Now find the speed of boat and also the speed of man Yeah, 15 seconds for each of the things. For A 15 seconds and for B I am giving you 15 seconds. Okay, I hope you have done this. I hope this tutorial might have helped you up to some extent. If I have forgot any of the concepts in this boards and schemes, you can just ping me up in the comment box below. I am always available to solve each and any doubt of you. And if you have any suggestions regarding my tutorials or to increase the quality or anything else, you can please help me saying them or displaying them in the comments. Thank you for watching. This is Sayyid Riyasuddin signing off. Bye. Bye bye.